86 car. We're still going. 86 still getting it. 86 is out. 86. 216, 11, 36, 90. Oh, got 68, just took a pair up on. Car Donnie Hedges. Going strong out there yet. The number 11, Josh Armstrong. The 75 car, Ed Carr. 36. Bill Sims. Bill still going. 37 car still going. Ronnie Terry. The 62 car still going. Robert Grant, favorite, got 75 coming down into 216. 43 cars on the clock down there. Got the 75, that car coming hard in the back of the number 11.
Fuck him, walk over and tell me to get the hell off my dad.
Like Josh Armstrong, getting a little hot out there. 86, break this 6. 86 is out. 86, whoa! You're wrong. 86, Luke Wells did a nice job out there, but he's out now. We got the 216. The hard down into the back end, the side of the side. The hard on the side of the hedger car, 68. 75 hard in the 37 car. That's Terry, the 37, and Ed Carr, the 75 car going at it. 43 is out. 43 is out. Okay, we got the 37, the 528, 75, 68, the 216. 16, 216 over there, 38, Bill Phillips. Bill's kind of hung up over there on something. Bill's getting her warmed up over there. He'll get her warmed up.
Down here, there ain't nobody down there. We only got 5 minutes left anyway. That red car is still trying to be in it, but I don't know.
36 on the clock. Bill Fry, Bill Tesco, they're driving that. 75, 68 and 216 going at it. We got the 528, 75, 37, Terry still there. Ed Carr. Bill Sims is out, 36 is out. Back him up, boys. Just give it all the road. Come 75. Come hard down to 11 car. They want to move back. They got them pushed out the gate.
I don't think he's hit. I think he's dying. I think.
Six cars moving down there. Okay, looks like we still got 6 cars moving. Need one more car to go down. Got 75 coming down inside of the 68 car. 75, that car. 75 head still going strong. 37, Terry trying to get back in the track, get to the but he keeps getting pushed back out. Got everything all bottlenecked down in there. Number 11's out. Number 11 is out. Number 11, breaker stick. Josh, you're out. Breaker stick, Josh. Still got 6 cars moving. .68 is out. Looks like we're at the 37. The 528, 216. We've got 5 cars left. Our 5 money cars are left. 75 and the 62 and the 216, a 37 and a 528. There's our 5 money cars. They're getting back here in the middle. Here comes the Harry Golson down to the side of the 62 car, Robert Grant. Here comes Terry. Terry trying to get back in here with everybody. Terry in the 528 going at it. 75, the 216, and the 62 car going ahead in the middle. Robert Grant, Ted Carr, and Olson. Eric kind of hung up on the middle of everybody. 62 and the 75. 75 gets power again. He's on his way. 75 comes to the side of 62 car. 62 and the 216 are hung up there. Here comes Terry, 37 car in the 528. Comes Terry, comes outside of 75. Here comes the 528 car.
Yeah.
Travis Anderson.
Sorry.
Here comes Aledo. 62 is out. 62 is our 5th place. Got 4 cars left. 4 cars left. 528, 216, 75, and the 37. Harry Colson, Travis Anderson, and Terry. Here comes Terry. Comes hard in the 528 car. Terry looking for somebody else to hit. Comes back in the 75. Now he's got power again, the 75 does. 37. 75 comes hard down to the carry car, 37. Still 4 cars left. Comes Eric in the side of 37. 75 lost power again. Got the smoker rolling. He'll get power again in a minute. On the road. Here comes 37. 528 on the clock. 528 on the clock. Comes that jar back in the rack in the carry car. Olson on the front end of it. 528 for 4th place. 528 is out. Travis Anderson did a nice